Tradedoubler Affiliate Program Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Tradedoubler and recommended affiliate programs are in the description. Now let's get straight to the review. Tradedoubler is one of the longest-running affiliate networks, founded in 1999, and focuses on performance-based marketing solutions for advertisers and affiliates. It connects affiliates with thousands of brands across various industries, including retail, technology, travel, and finance. Tradedoubler is particularly strong in the European market, making it an excellent choice for affiliates targeting European audiences. The platform supports different commission models, such as CPA, cost per action, CPC, cost per click, and revenue share, making it flexible for different marketing strategies. Tradedoubler offers a comprehensive affiliate platform with real-time tracking and analytics, allowing affiliates to monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings in detail. The network provides deep linking capabilities, meaning affiliates can create direct links to specific product pages, increasing conversion rates. One of its standout features is its API access, which allows advanced affiliates to automate and optimize their campaigns more efficiently. Additionally, Tradedoubler has an automatic payment system that ensures timely payouts on a net 30 or net 60 basis, depending on the advertiser. The platform also includes mobile tracking, making it a good option for those promoting mobile offers. Strengths. One of Tradedoubler's main strengths is its strong presence in Europe, offering affiliates access to top-tier European brands with competitive commission structures. The platform provides detailed analytics and tracking tools that help affiliates optimize their performance. Another major advantage is the wide range of available programs, catering to various niches and marketing strategies. Tradedoubler's API and automation features make it appealing for experienced affiliates looking to scale their operations efficiently. The platform is also reliable when it comes to payments, ensuring that affiliates receive their commissions on time. Weaknesses. Despite its strong features, Tradedoubler has some drawbacks. The platform's interface is not as user-friendly as other major affiliate networks like Awin or CJ Affiliate, making it slightly challenging for beginners. Additionally, some advertisers have strict approval requirements, meaning not all affiliates will be accepted into every program. The payment schedule can also be a downside, as some advertisers operate on a net 60 basis, meaning affiliates may have to wait longer for their earnings compared to networks with net 30 payouts. Furthermore, while Tradedoubler is strong in Europe, it has a weaker presence in North America and other global markets. Final verdict. Tradedoubler is a solid affiliate network, especially for affiliates targeting European markets. It offers a large selection of advertisers, flexible commission models, and advanced tracking tools. However, its less intuitive interface and longer payment cycles may be a challenge for some affiliates. If you're looking to work with European brands and don't mind a learning curve, Tradedoubler is a great choice. Check the links in the description to get started. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more affiliate marketing reviews.